He is the most chaotic man on the internet, a force of nature who has raced the fastest men in the world, jumped over moving cars at full speed, and survived some of the most overwhelming crowds on the planet, from the favelas of Brazil to the neon streets of Tokyo. But as IShowSpeed announces his massive Dirty December tour for the end of 2025, one island is noticeably missing from the itinerary. Jamaica, the land of speed, the home of the greatest sprinter to ever live, Usain Bolt. The place Speed's fans have been begging him to visit for over 3 years. So, the question on everyone's mind in the yard is simple. Why did Speed just confirm his jet is heading to Morocco, Nigeria, and Ghana instead of touching down at Norman Manley International? Is this a calculated snub, a major security concern, or is Darren Watkins Jr. simply not ready for the intensity of the Jamaican streets? If you want more videos like this, please hit that like and subscribe to the channel now. It will really help our community grow. Plus, you will receive notification when we release more Jamaican content like this in the future. Let's look at the facts. In his most recent live streams, Speed confirmed to his 46 million subscribers that his team has finalized his December schedule to coincide with the Africa Cup of Nations in Morocco. While the Speed gang in Jamaica was ready with the red carpet and the jerk chicken, the logistics seem to have shifted east. We know Speed loves Jamaican culture.
He must watch a lot of Bob Marley growing up.
There are other Jamaicans, by the way.
Usain Bolt.
Okay, man.
We have seen him attempt the patois accent with varying levels of success, and we have seen him vibing to Skillibeng and Skeng during his legendary IRL streams. But sources close to the streamer's management suggest that the groundwork for a Jamaica tour is a different beast entirely. Unlike his recent tours in Europe and Southeast Asia, where local tourism boards like Go Vilnius actually paid him over $30,000 to visit, Jamaica's Ministry of Culture hasn't officially made the move. In a world where countries are now literally paying for the influence of a Speed visit to boost tourism, Jamaica might be falling behind the curve. Then there is the Usain Bolt factor. Just last month, in November 2025, the world saw a viral encounter between Bolt and Speed that left the streamer visibly humbled. Bolt didn't just meet him, he gave him a reality check, reminding the young influencer that elite speed is built through a lifetime of discipline, not just viral energy. Bolt even joked that Speed probably couldn't beat the newly retired Shelly Ann Fraser-Price over 40 meters.
IShowSpeed challenged Usain Bolt in a race, and this is what Bolt had to say about this.
I feel like I'm 55, bro. You know Shelly Ann just retired.
Yeah.
You probably could have beat Shelly Ann. I'm telling you, bro. From the start. No, I'm telling you, bro. Over 40 meters. She's quick as no joke.
Speed has made a career out of challenging legends to maintain his status as the internet's ultimate athlete. But coming to Jamaica means he can't just talk, he has to line up. In a country where every schoolboy in a champ's vest is a potential threat to his ego, is Speed avoiding the 876 because he's not ready to lose his fastest streamer title on the very tracks where world records are born? On a more serious note, we have to talk about security. We saw what happened in Norway when Speed was trapped in a shop by thousands of fans, and we saw the chaos in Italy. While Jamaica is world-renowned for its hospitality, a high-profile IRL stream through downtown Kingston or Halfway Tree presents a security profile that would require a small army. Some insiders suggest that Speed's team is waiting for a government-level security clearance before they risk bringing the world's most famous barking teenager to the capital. But what do you think? Is Speed ducking the competition, or is he just waiting for the Ministry of Tourism to cut the check? Should the Jamaican government officially invite him to settle the debate with Bolt once and for all at the National Stadium? Drop your comments below and tell us which parish Speed should visit first if he finally decides to cancel his Africa plans and touch down in the land of wood and water. This has been your Jamaica News Report. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay updated on everything moving the culture in 2025. Click the link on screen now to watch the next video. Peace.